my name is Abigail. I come from a family of 8. I'm the 8th child, actually. I got married about 4 years ago, and I have a baby boy who's a year and a half. So we have a beautiful family. I definitely enjoyed growing up in this big family of ours. There's ups and downs, and it's just such a beautiful life, knowing that you have so many people in your family that you can rely on, that you can come to, and for gatherings. It's just so beautiful seeing so many people fill the household. Ziggy stroller has been definitely a game changer. When I think about easy, I think about the Ziggy. It is definitely beneficial for me with traveling, with just going on my daily routine, going on a walk, going out to the store. I definitely like taking it anywhere. It's very easy to fold. One motion, you just pull up that buckle and it folds up. It's very compact, so I can fit it in my car, any tight place. I definitely enjoy it, and so does my sister, actually. She would take it for my walk. And so she'll go and she'll be like, I'll just borrow your Ziggy for a walk. And I'm like, okay. I can take the Ziggy stroller and I can just put him in there, and I know, like in the summer with the summer canopy, that has definitely been a game changer with the SPF in there. So, he's not overheating, he's not burning. We recently took a family vacation to Jamaica, actually, with my sisters, and so it was very fun. But one worry was, where did I put my baby? And so I was like, I know I need to bring that Ziggy stroller with me. With traveling, I brought that case along with me. I knew that the case protected the stroller from any dents, scratches that the airport has. So it all kind of just flowed so smoothly. I wasn't worrying about it. My baby boy could sleep by the poolside. I can enjoy myself while he's enjoying himself. So it was a very smooth vacation, and I definitely recommend taking it. For the holidays, we oftentimes gather at my mom's house. That's the point where we always, come together. And for Christmas time, I think that's our biggest holidays. Christmas is when we all come together, and my mom, she likes to cook up a feast. Days preparing food and all this, and on Christmas Day, we all come together. We eat all this traditional Ukrainian food, and we like to just gather around the table. We talk about our experiences, our year, how has it been so far, our ups and downs. After we have our delicious meal, we also go and we, sing with the family, and then obviously follows the gifts and all of that. But it's definitely a very fun image to see, like with all the presents and everyone's so excited. The kids are like, where are mine? And it's just like this joy, and you can just see that true joy in them. And then my dad will talk about, the reason for the season. He's like, he'll explain what Christmas is all about. So we have that perfect balance of, making sure the kids are involved and making sure the adults are having a great time. Along with the stroller, I definitely enjoyed for infant was the Xari. I had that up to 1 year. He had it for that whole year, and I used it going to church. I used it going to the store. Going to the mall was a big thing for me. I would just put him in there, and I had all my stuff at the bottom, and it was definitely a game changer because I would smoothly go through the store, not worrying about, if he's gonna fall out, because that secure him in place with those 5 points. I could lay him down easily. For the first few months of his life, I did have it facing me. And then when he started growing up, older and older, he wanted to see more of what was around him. So I would actually turn it around, and he would just look out at what I'm looking at. So he really enjoyed that as well. I would use it all the time. And the one thing I really liked actually as well was every time I would take it out, I would see everyone looking at me, and they're like, where did you get this stroller? And I'm like, Mima, and I see them on their phone like looking it up, and I'm like, yes, go ahead, it's amazing. And people are just turning their eyes. They're like, that's such an elegant stroller. I'm like, that's what I love about it, the elegance. It's just there. It's a moving stroller that looks so modern, but it's so comfortable at the same time. It's like you got that perfect mix, which is hard to find in the stroller, because you get a stroller and it's like, it has one part to it but not the other, and you're like, that doesn't look that way, or that doesn't work that way, or that buckle doesn't unbuckle that way. And it's just like these little features that really affect how it is, because your child is growing up and you need to make your life easier and you want to make it enjoyable as well. and going out with her sisters with all these, the Mima Xaris, and there's this black one, a brown one, and it's just like a beautiful, beautiful picture. And people are like, where are you guys getting these strollers? So Mima has definitely changed our whole family with that. And we definitely enjoyed going with Mima, and we will continue to go with Mima and all of the babies we make.